Hi there. Before we tee off, I want to show you a dashboard and scorecard solution from IBM based on market-leading IBM portal technology. Now, if you're implementing a service-oriented architecture, or SOA, this IBM solution can help you visualize how your business is doing. And it's a great way to both leverage and assess your progress. We call it the art of making SOA consumable and usable. For the sake of example, I'll play the role of Vice President of Sales for JK Enterprises. When we began our SOA transformation at JK, we focused on improving the efficiency of our employees and trading partners. Now, with portals and our new services framework, we're able to provide users with role-based, intuitive, and adaptive composite applications integrated at the desktop. Now, from our experience, portals and dashboards are one of the easiest ways to get started with SOA. This demo will show you how. And rest assured, this approach adapts easily to almost any industry. So if you have any questions, you'll have the opportunity to learn more at the end of this demo. Okay, I'll log into our system. All right. Now, because everything is based on IBM portal software, I'm provided with a highly personalized view of the information I need to do my job. I have portlets that help me to collaborate with colleagues, that alert me to significant events. Now, over here is my sales scorecard portlet. Now, it shows all the objectives I'm responsible for across a range of areas, from customer satisfaction to employee development. Now, critical to my personal success are these finance metrics. Okay, in any competition, you can't track how you're doing without a scorecard, can you? Well, your business is no different. And with this solution, our business scorecards are updated real time with the most current data available, delivered by SOA Information Services. So I can see real-time status and performance trends of all my objectives and initiatives at a glance. 4. Now take a look at this red indicator. Now there's been an unexpected drop in forecasted revenue. That's not a good thing. I need to investigate, so I'll navigate over to the home page of my executive dashboard. Now, this dashboard is actually a dynamic portal-based composite application that assembles data and processes from a number of different enterprise systems. More on that later. The first thing I'll do is check my sales alerts for any additional information related to the revised forecast. Sure enough, I have 2 high-priority alerts notifying me that 2 reps from our Houston office recently decreased their revenue commitments. Now, these are SOA Enabled real-time alerts, and I can drill down to get more information. Now, a convenient filter lets me view data for the United States and then the Houston office. And, yep, Houston, it looks like we do have a problem. So I'll take a closer look at the opportunities associated with that office. Now, here's the Houston forecast, and I can see opportunities at various stages within the sales process. Now, I can drill down into that chart for more details. See, now I see that several large deals are stalled at GCS, one of our major clients, so I keep clicking to learn more. Okay, now this is interesting. It seems that GCS has had problems with our customer support lately, which can't be helping our sales situation there. Now, because our solution is integrated, I can simply click the rep link to contact the GCS sales rep and encourage him to bring both the support issues and the stalled sales deals to closure. With dashboards and scorecards, I can recognize a problem, gather information, and then take action in a matter of moments. So, where does the underlying information come from? Fortunately, IBM offers several game-changing offerings for creating shared services and reusable portlets for dashboards. Software that can quickly generate reusable SOA information services from diverse sources. That includes hundreds of specific business services to manage and maintain customer data. That can take services from multiple sources and dynamically automate portlet views. And that provides out-of-the-box portlets for visualizing status of live business processes. IBM even has professional services to help you get started. But the best thing is, as JK is automated, we've gained unprecedented levels of flexibility and reuse. For example, we can dynamically replace a service without having to change the user interface. You want to see how? Watch how easy it is for this customer list portlet to leverage a new data source. You can see the portlet currently is driven by a service that pulls information directly from an IBM server. Now, to create a consistent, integrated view of customer information across the enterprise, JK is deploying SOA Master Data Services, delivered by IBM software for Customer Data Integration, or CDI. To switch to the new service, I simply select it, and the rest is automatic. Notice when we switch services, the portlet dynamically adjusted to include 2 extra fields from the new service, with no code changes required and no bother to IT. Look, you wouldn't even consider driving an automobile without a dashboard, would you? So why should driving your business be any different? Take advantage of dynamic, role-based scorecards and dashboards built upon a service-oriented architecture and enabling action through features like collaboration and real-time alerts. What are you waiting for? Make SOA consumable and usable by assembling services into flexible, portal-based composite applications using software from IBM. You've taken the first step by watching this video. Now continue the journey by clicking the link to learn more.